Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with a festive year-round project. Today we're making these cute stuffed star ornaments. Use them to decorate your tree and home for Christmas and the 4th of July. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this pattern with step-by-step instructions, photos, and printable templates. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own stuffed star ornaments today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project you'll need fabric, fiberfill stuffing, pinking shears, a ribbon, and the printable template. First, cut out the star template and place a piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Place another piece of fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin in place. Stitch the star together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space open at the top for stuffing. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the opening to stuff the star with fiberfill, filling as full as desired. The points can be a little bit tricky, so take your time. Fold the ribbon in half and insert the raw edges of the ribbon into the opening and pin it in place. Stitch the opening closed and readjust the stuffing. And just like that, just that fast, you have these quick and easy stuffed star ornaments. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one with digital patterns you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.